to help you meet your goals and objectives. We offer
The National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Columbia County in south central Wisconsin, northern Dane County in south central Wisconsin, western Dutch County in southeast Wisconsin, southwestern Fond du Lac County in east central Wisconsin, southern Green Lake County in south central Wisconsin until 6:30 p.m. At 5:25 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms was located along the line extending from...
Okay, what happened there? Whoa. Okay, whatever.